Hello and welcome, Greg here from Jaguar Crewe. Today wanting to share with you this gorgeous looking Jaguar XF Saloon. Available here in the popular R-Dynamic SE Black variant and powered by a P250 2-litre petrol engine. From every angle, this machine looks absolutely gorgeous, and standout features will include premium LED headlights with daytime running lights, as well as 19-inch gloss black contrast diamond-turned alloy wheels. This model even benefits from a sliding panoramic roof which has been fitted to it, and for added convenience there is also a power-operated tailgate, revealing a large practical load area for a saloon car in its class. You can also fold down the rear seats, and there is even a space-saver spare wheel on offer just in case. Inside the cabin, you'll be pleased to know there is ebony leather with light oyster stitching, center armors with cup holders, as well as two ISOFIX child anchor points. In the front, MERIDIAN sound system will grace the cabin, as well as front sports seats will also benefit from 12-way heated, electric and memory functionality as well. The driver will enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, which benefits from paddle shifts, as well as an IDD interactive drive display. Capable of operating all your music needs, it also supports drive modes such as rain, ice, snow for added grip, economy prioritizing fuel efficiency, as well as a dynamic mode for a sporty spirited feel. Inside, there's also a PV Pro infotainment touchscreen, which is an absolute joy to use. It features a main and a backup screen and comes packed with the likes of built-in sat-nav, Bluetooth connectivity and even FM and DAB digital radios. The backup screen also offers so much more in the form of heated seats as well, with a 3-stage functionality. Climate control can also be easily operated the same way thanks to these easy-to-use 3 tiles. The large buttons are also easy to operate when on the move, and there is ambient lighting available in the cabin from presets or your own color choices. Rear view camera will support wide angle view, fully supported by front and rear audible and visual sensors. 2-zone climate control system, wireless charger for your device, a heated windscreen and also sliding functionality for the sunroof and electric sunshade blind.